Kale is one of the oldest forms of cabbage, native to the Eastern Mediterranean or Asia Minor. It has been in cultivation for so long, dating back over 2,000 years, and has been so spread across prehistoric traders and migrating tribes that it's hard to pinpoint the exact region of origin. Russian kale was introduced into Canada and then into the United States by Russian traders in the 19th century. For most of the 20th century, kale was primarily used in the United States for decorative purposes. It became popular as an edible vegetable in the 1990s due to its nutritional value. Russian kales are high-yielding kales with delicious and nutritious leaves. These kales are early maturing and produce high amounts of smooth, dark green leaves. It is hardy and fibrous when fully mature, and tender enough to be used as a raw salad green when young. The pale green stems are tough and typically removed, while the tightly curled leaves are chewy yet succulent. Depending on the variety, kale can sometimes be spicy, other times a bit sweet, and usually slightly bitter. In general, kale offers an earthy flavor with nutty sweetness that is accentuated when cooked. Beneficial companion plants to grow alongside kale include dill, alliums, legumes, catnip, marigolds, buckwheat, and cilantro. Cilantro is one of the best companion plants for kale because it attracts beneficial insects like hoverflies that prey on aphids, a common pest of kale. Kale grows best in full sun but will tolerate partial shade as well. Plants that receive fewer than 6 hours of sun daily will not be as stocky or leafy as those that get ample sun, but they will still be plenty edible. Like collards, kale likes fertile soil to grow fast and produce tender leaves. Kale is rich in antioxidants and packed with vitamins A, E, K, and B. It has a fair amount of protein and iron and has more vitamin C than other leafy greens. It is also high in fiber and has more calcium gram for gram than a cup of milk. Researchers have even found that the phytochemicals in kale may inhibit cancer cell growth.